Arena in San Juan filled to the rafters. Ian Laurel with Ivy Remulla and Remulla at courtside. Itong Adamson ngayon ang nakakalamang, Ivy.
Yes, that's right.
16 serving 12.
Mike Ortiz once again with a running edge. She has been unsuccessful from stop attempts. Ito, third set and come into the fourth. That's a good comeback there from Mike Ortiz. Caballejo with the serve. Cortel off the block.
Off the block, good and smart play from Cortel.
And of course, you can see she's not intimidated by the fact that the blockers in front of her are much taller than she is. Service good.
Ooh.
Good timing there from Mike Ortiz. Once again, no blocker from the Lady Falcons. Take a look at this one. Wala na nakareact eh. Late na eh.
Nice serve from Micah. Siyempre, Angela Benting papalo from the outside. It's too close.
That was a bit too close, that's right. So hindi na masyado nagawa ng paraan.
18 serving 14. UST cannot afford to exchange points right now and be content, no? Kailangan they have to make stops and score points on the board.
Off the block.
Maiso asking for it again. Dug up by Cortel. Nice set to Benting. Defended by Caballejo. This time they go to the other side. Lastimosa to Benting.
They go to Guevara. That was a good set from Makatuno.
Guevara finding that empty space on the floor of UST. Axel, the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Uy, ganda nung ano ni Angelo. Oh! Attack again from Guevara.
It's Guevara once again at the second touch.
And the UST fans are stunned right now. They were really enjoying and having a lot of fun in the first two sets, but now they're very, very quiet. Yung ihip nung hangin talaga nagbago talaga.
There was a good, that was outside from Cortel. So she has been serving for quite a while for the Lady Falcons.
15 serving 20. Malayo-layo po itong hahabulin ng UST. Angela Benting.
That was actually already miss-hit na yun eh. Diba? Ginawa na lang yun ng paraan para ipasok.
That's right. She had to improvise in mid-air. Parang isinit na lang.
Oo eh. But, you know, the UST blockers kasi thought na papaluin pa rin niya. Kasi her approach was still the same.
Yeah, you're right. Pisa. Good serve to Dusaran. Benting to Caballejo. They go to Jessie De Leon in the middle. Makatuno. To Soriano.
Off the block.
Lastimosa. Keeping it in for the point. But credit the defense of Adamson.
Yes, that's right. They really, all over the place trying to keep the ball alive. Lastimosa serving for UST. They're down by 5.
Good serve from Lastimosa.
Well, that set was a bit too low.
Nice save.
Oh, good defense from Sheila Pineda. Adamson is on a roll here in set number 4.
And the arena has just erupted. That save from Adamson. Takot Mamon.
May tabaw. Lamang tayo ngayon, hindi nyo gagawin yung trabaho nyo, ayaw mag-block. Tinanggal natin yung advantage natin. So, mas marami na advantage na ako doon. Ha? Yes, bakit nagdadrambol ka na? Huwag ka na rin magkamali. Huwag kayo matakot magkamali.
was really working double time
Yeah.
to the defense of Adamson.
Cortel had a good save.
Yes, that's right.
Let's see, Sheila Pineda gets blocked. They go to Pau. Soriano again, twisting in midair, getting that point. Ito na, Adamson threatening to win this set and force a fifth and final deciding set.
Service good. He would go to Judy.
No!
Sends it outside. Medyo nanggigil ng konti doon.
Alright, Tunay coming back in for Cabalejo after that attack error. Pero set point na itong Adamson.
And it is Angela Binting at the service line.
Nice serve from Angela. Tunay. That cut shot dug up by Sheila. Ito na, Adamson atake ulit. Gusaran is right there.
They go to Tunay who drops it. Sheila is there.
Ayaw nang pumalo ng UST, puro drop shots.
And nobody tried to save that.
And Adamson has come back from the grave, so to speak. After being down by 2 sets, now they have the momentum. They're headed into a fifth. They're shaky, play post.